Welcome to the world of rare coins where history, artistry, and value all come together. In today's video, we're diving into two ultra-rare and highly sought-after coins that have captured the attention of collectors worldwide: the France 20 centimes and the United Kingdom 1 shilling. These historic coins are making waves in the auction market. Today, first up, we're diving deep into one of the most captivating coins in British numismatics, the United Kingdom 1 shilling coin of 1966 featuring the Scottish arms design. With its powerful lion rampant proudly displayed on a crowned shield, this coin is gaining massive attention in the collector's market today. Especially when found in fine condition, its demand and value in the auction world are climbing higher than ever before. Let's talk about the fascinating history and background behind this unique coin. The 1 shilling coin has long been a staple in British currency, but the 1966 Scottish version stands out because it was part of a dual design series. While England had its own version with 3 lions passant guardant, Scotland's design features a fierce lion rampant, a symbol of strength and pride, taken directly from the royal banner of Scotland. This coin was minted in the final years before the decimalization of British currency, making it a piece of history just before a major shift in the nation's monetary system. The unique features of this coin make it a standout in any collection. The obverse side carries the classic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Mary Gillick, beautifully capturing Her Majesty's youthful profile. But it's the reverse that steals the show: a bold lion rampant left on a crowned shield, detailed with sharp edges and striking symbolism. The intricate Scottish arms design makes this coin a visually stunning and culturally rich item, reflecting a proud heritage and the royal connection with Scotland. In fine condition, its details remain crisp, and the coin still glows with that historical charm that collectors love. Now, let's talk rarity and what drives collector demand. Although this coin was minted in significant numbers in 1966, surviving specimens in well-preserved fine condition are becoming harder to find. As time passes, many have been lost, melted, or damaged. So owning one that maintains its integrity is truly a collector's dream. Numismatists especially treasure the 1966 issue because it represents the end of an era. Just 4 years before decimalization in 1971, the combination of historical importance, unique design, and cultural significance makes this coin highly sought after in today's market. Speaking of today's market, the value of the 1966 Scottish Arms 1 shilling coin in fine condition has seen a noticeable rise in recent years. In major auctions and coin marketplaces, this piece can fetch anywhere from $71,000 or more, depending on its sharpness, luster, and overall appeal. For coins in extra fine or uncirculated condition, prices can surge even higher, especially when there's bidding competition from global collectors. This isn't just a coin, it's an appreciating asset in the collector's world. For those looking to collect or invest, here are some valuable tips. Always look for coins with minimal wear and a strong, clear strike. A fine condition coin should still showcase defined features, especially on the lion's mane, shield edges, and queen's portrait. Store your coin in a safe, dry environment to preserve its condition, and consider getting it professionally graded if you're planning to sell. Engaging with coin shows, collector forums, and online auctions will also help. You stay ahead of trends and spot undervalued gems before they spike in price. The 1966 United Kingdom 1 shilling coin with the Scottish arms design, it's a masterpiece of British heritage and a valuable collectible with rising demand. Its powerful lion rampant historical context and fine condition appeal make it a shining star in today's auction market. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your journey, this coin offers incredible value, rich history, and investment potential that's hard to ignore. Next up, we bring you an exciting and highly valuable coin that is catching attention in the numismatic world: the France 20 centime coin from 1979, especially in its golden shine and fine condition. If you're a passionate collector or someone who's just beginning your journey in rare coins, this video is going to show you why this particular coin is a shining gem in today's auction market, with an impressive value in dollars. Let's begin with a quick dive into the history and background of this coin. The 20 centimes denomination has been a staple of French coinage for decades, But the 1979 issue holds special interest for collectors. It was minted during a time when France was undergoing a blend of modern, industrial growth and traditional cultural preservation. The coin reflects this transitional period through its design and metal composition. Struck by the Monnaie de Paris, one of the oldest mints in the world, this coin carries with it a legacy of precision and craftsmanship that France is known for in the numismatic community. What makes the 1979 France 20 centimes stand out are its unique features. This coin is composed primarily of aluminum bronze, which gives it a brilliant golden appearance, a feature that becomes even more captivating when preserved in fine condition with its original golden shine intact. On the obverse, you will find the image of Marianne, the national symbol of the French Republic, wearing the Phrygian cap of liberty. The reverse carries the denomination and the iconic motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, showcasing the ideals of the French Revolution. Its smooth edge and compact, diameter, make it a visually balanced and collectible piece. Rarity is where things get truly interesting. While the coin was produced in large quantities in 1979, finding one today in fine or uncirculated condition with a golden shine is rare. Over time, most coins lose their original brilliance due to circulation, oxidation, and handling. So, when a coin like this surfaces in today's market with its luster intact, collectors are quick to chase it. The condition, combined with its historical significance and aesthetic appeal, places it high on the demand list for seasoned collectors worldwide. Now let's talk about the real excitement. The current market value in fine to very fine condition, with a noticeable golden shine, the value rises significantly. At online auctions and rare coin markets, collectors have been willing to pay anywhere between $110,000 and, in some exceptional cases, even more depending on demand and bidding competition. The price is steadily climbing as pristine examples become scarcer. For collectors, here are some tips. Always look for coins with minimal scratches, a strong golden hue, and a clear strike. Try to acquire coins with verified grading or at least from trusted sellers. Keeping the coin in a protective holder or slab can maintain its value over time. And if you ever plan to resell, always check auction trends, as the market value can shift quickly based on collector interest and historical commemorations. The France 20 centimes 1979 golden shine coin is not just a beautiful artifact of French history, but also a powerful asset in the rare coin world. Its rich background, stunning features, and increasing demand make it a top pick for serious collectors. If you come across this coin in excellent condition, consider it a treasure. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on rare coins with high market value, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you own this coin or are planning to add it to your collection. Happy collecting, and see you in the next video.